Hey, beautiful people, it's ELBeautyL here, and I am here today bringing y'all another PINCHme unboxing. So if you don't know what PINCHme is, take a look at this video that I have right here, right there. You see it right there. So before I continue, I'm gonna say go on ahead and subscribe to the channel, ELBeautyL, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload videos. Okay? So, alright, let's get into the video. Hey! Alright, so alright, it's a few things in here. Okay. So let me see. The first thing is this: introducing ELBeautyL 1850 Soldier Coffee Company. So it's a K-cup. So this is pretty fancy. This is definitely different than all the Folgers I've seen. But the best part of waking up, Folgers in your cup. It's a little different, right? It's called Lantern Glow Light Roast Coffee for the Curious. So cool. Hey. The next thing I have in here is called Bag Balm Skin Moisturizer. Okay. So it says Bag Balm contains lanolin and stays on by moisturizing and softening. Massage thoroughly at the skin and allow ointment to remain for full softening and moisturizing effect. Okay, great. So I can't wait to use this. You know, it's getting cold outside, or actually no, it is cold outside. So something like this is great for the winter, I'm sure. Alright, so the next thing I have in here is the L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask. Detox and brighten 3 pure clays and charcoal. Results in just 10 minutes. That's quick. The next thing is a Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1-minute hair mask. Has avocado extract. Okay. So I have a lot of hair, so sometimes these little packages they send aren't enough for me, but you know, I guess it's enough to put on my hair and see how it works. Okay, cool. And one last thing, they have the Hello Fresh Cook-Up A Fresh Start. $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 boxes. Okay. Now, I've never tried any of these subscription services for food delivery or recipe deliveries, but this sounds pretty good. Now, it says claim within 30 days, so I guess I gotta claim it pretty quickly. Alright, those are the only things I had in my PINCHme box. Not too many things, but again, it's okay because it was all for free. Free, yes. So again, if you haven't seen the video, I will have it linked below so that you can see my other PINCHme video where I explain a little bit more about PINCHme if you haven't heard about it. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the ELBeautyL channel, and I will see you in another video. Okay. Oh wait, and did y'all like that makeup? Yeah, I'm feeling cute. All right, thanks everybody. I'll talk to you guys later.